How to get a public profile on Snapchat iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Snapchat on your iOS device. Now tap on the profile at the top left corner. Now simply scroll down. Now tap on Snap Map. Now tap on settings at the top right corner. Now make sure to disable ghost mode. Now once you disable it, simply go back. Again tap on the profile at the top left corner. Now tap on public profile. Now set up your profile picture. Tap on the pencil icon and upload your photo. Now to upload the stories, simply tap on Add Snaps. Now give the access. Again tap on it. Now upload the photos to the story. You can also manage different settings for your public profile. Tap on the gear icon. Now from this menu page, you can get different settings for the public profile. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.